Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into a detailed restoration of an old eMachines e732 laptop. This journey will include deep cleaning, upgrading parts, and ensuring everything works perfectly. We are starting by removing the battery. Unscrew one screw that holds up the DVD optical drive. We will use the iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit for this project. Now the DVD optical drive can be easily removed. Remove 19 Phillips screws from the back cover. Remove 4 smaller screws from the plastic cover above the battery space. Take off the back cover. Now remove the flex cable that connects the side USB ports to the motherboard by using a plastic pry tool. Remove the old hard disk. It is time to remove the heatsink. Unscrew one Phillips screw from the fan side. Unscrew 3 screws from the CPU heatsink. Disconnect the fan connector and lift the heatsink. Take away the wireless cables around the fan case. This heatsink has a lot of dust, and also we can spot the dry old thermal paste too. Disconnect the wireless connector cables. Now the wireless adapter. Remove the 2 RAM plates and the CMOS battery. Disconnect the LCD video cable. Disconnect the top cable connector and unscrew one bottom screw from the motherboard. Remove the CPU. Time for deep cleaning. Use a portable keyboard vacuum cleaner and a soft paintbrush to clean the dust. Unscrew 2 Phillips screws on the top side hinges to detach the LCD and the top cover from the base. We have to remove the old keyboard. Remove the old keyboard by using a triangle pry tool. Safely remove the keyboard flex cable. Unscrew the last 3 Phillips screws under the keyboard. Now disconnect the front flex cable to detach the palm rest from the motherboard. Again, we need more cleaning. Use the vacuum cleaner to clean the top plastic and the motherboard sides. Clean the side ports. The motherboard now looks way better. The small and portable vacuum cleaner helps a lot. Use cotton buds dipped in isopropyl alcohol for hard to reach areas. We need to remove the hard disk caddy by unscrewing 2 Phillips screws. We need to do a deep cleaning around the fan case and heatsink. Clean the heatsink from the old thermal paste using cotton buds and wooden toothpicks. Now we have to reassemble the laptop. Place the motherboard, flip the palm rest over, screw back the 3 screws under the keyboard, mount the CPU back. Remember the golden triangle for proper alignment. Lock the CPU in place. Clean off the old thermal paste and apply a fresh one later to the CPU to ensure this laptop will have an optimal temperature. Wooden toothpicks will help to remove the old thermal paste. Reattach the heatsink and screw it back. Clean and reconnect the CMOS battery. Don't forget the one Phillips screw that keeps the fan in place. Attach the LCD to the top base and screw in the hinges. Reconnect the LCD video cable and later the wireless cables. Don't forget about the wireless adapter. Reinstall the RAM sticks. Attach the new SSD to the hard disk caddy and install it. Reconnect the side USB flex cable. Reattach the plastic case to the bottom and screw in all 23 Phillips screws. clean, reconnect and screw in the DVD optical drive. Don't forget to reconnect the flex cable of the touchpad. Install the brand new keyboard, ensuring to reconnect its flex cable and press gently to fit perfectly. We've transformed an old, dusty laptop into a cleaner and more efficient machine. Enjoy some pictures of the final result. Thank you for joining me on this journey. See you next time.